Today we're going to be showing you how to install our phone mount kit here. So this is how it's going to come. It's very simple. You do not have to remove this clock at all. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this piece right here. You're going to take this, unscrew this, put this, let's see here, in first with the threads. This magnet's very strong. You're going to clip this in. Be careful not to cross thread this. You can just make it loose. Make sure that it is not cross threaded. So let's see if I have it here, and it should go easy just like that. This is going to be installed. This is a 3mm. So you're going to take, it's a M4, but it's a 3mm wrench. You're going to take this completely out, just like this. Put it to the side. We'll put it up on the dash for now. Okay, you can pull with your fingers this just like this, and you'll feel rubber back here. So you can pull it out just like that in your C back there, or you can use a pry tool to gently pry this. Most of them do just pry with your fingers, and like I said, there's a rubber piece right there. Once you get that, you take this, take your hand, you open this up from the bottom here, and you literally just put it from the bottom just like that, so that it spins freely. Push this back in. You're going to take your screw, screws right inside. I pinch it so that it catches the threads. Make sure you want to put it as close to possible to your dash. It really depends on how you want it, but I like mine as close as possible here. Then you just got to tighten it up. Doesn't have to be super tight as long as it doesn't spin. Push this back. Okay, so you have this. You have your kit that comes with. If you have an Android phone, like this particular phone is super heavy. So that's why we did this, because I found myself on our competitors, this was always falling down all the time. So it's super strong now. Do not pull the phone like this. It will pull the clock out. That's how strong the magnet is. But we're going to set this right now. So you set it to where you want it. You can take your fingers and tighten this so that it does not move. You're going to use either, if you have an iPhone with the charging, you're going to use this. There's an alcohol pad in there. There's also, like I said, you'll get one of these as well, because I have a wallet in mine. I'm not using the ring. You do not need this neither. Most of the new iPhones have rings, or they're magnetic. And you put the phone in, and when you pull it out, if you pull it out, it's gonna, I don't know if you can see it from this side, but it will actually kind of pull your clock out. So when you take this off, slide it, because that's how strong the metal is, or the magnet. It does not move. You could be driving very high or highly spirited, and it's not going to move. If it does move over time, again, tighten that up to wherever you want. That's it. Sometimes you may have to, like I just pulled it out, you may have to, if you pull it out too much, there's a rubber band around there. So if you pull it out too much, that rubber band is going to make it loose. So you can go back in there and on the other side, underneath the frunk, and push that rubber band back tighter. But typically it just stays like this, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Again, pretty simple. This one's pretty good now. It doesn't move. Again, you do not have to move or pull this all the way out. You just undo this 3mm Allen, open it up, slide it on top. Very simple. Thanks for watching.